Hello beautiful people, you're super welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulous channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Alright guys, please check below, you see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright guys, so into this video I'm going to show you how to turn your yellow teeth into white. Snow White actually. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video.
This functions as a teeth whitener in two ways because of its abrasive nature. Baking soda removes build-up plaque on the teeth, and the alkaline powder in baking soda can help remove discoloration.
Alright guys, so this sound alone should let you know that my teeth are extremely clean and white. So guys, make sure you rinse your mouth properly. If possible, you use your hand to rinse it properly, because baking soda is not too good for gums, and this shouldn't be a frequent practice. This should be done like once in a month or once in 2 months. Guys, as you can see, my teeth is looking super white. How many people can be bold enough to show you this part of their teeth? Alright guys, do this and let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. Alright beautiful people, hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.